The automatic MHG drum blasting system type SMG50BTA combines maximum efficiency with clever design. The robust CE-compliant blasting system is durable and features a timeless graphite grey surface. It offers powerful, environmentally friendly blasting technology with high-quality components perfectly tailored to your requirements. The powerful extraction blower, in combination with the generously sized cartridge filter, removes dust from the blasting chamber perfectly in order to consistently guarantee an optimal view of the workpiece. Thanks to the also integrated abrasive recycling system, you not only work efficiently, but also cost-effectively. The combination of cyclone separator, coarse filter screen, and magnetic separation makes this possible. The degree of dust separation can be adjusted continuously by means of a throttle valve. The heart of the system is the fully rubber-lined processing drum, which is driven by an externally mounted gear motor. Up to 2 blasting nozzles can be positioned individually to process the workpieces. The modern Siemens logo display always gives you a clear overview of all operating states, from blasting pressure through to the blasting parameters for the automatic processing drum. In addition, a manual workstation is available. This also guarantees perfect blasting results for complex components. For depowdering 3D printed components, the system is also equipped with ATEX equipment, an air blow-off device with ionized air, and an injection device for antistatic agent. This makes the system ideally suited for components made of both metal and plastic. Our automatic drum blasting systems combine functionality and energy efficiency. Optional extras, such as an integrated rotary table, complete the system and make it a true all-rounder.